Is Penelope asleep?
I don't think she is.
I feel like she's asleep because I hear her snoring. Is she asleep? But I feel like if I were to tickle her, she would definitely be awake.
Definitely. I feel like maybe an underarm hitting.